This is Bill from Bill the Drone Reviewer. I have a very special message for my fellow drone YouTube content creators. Valerie and I wanted to extend a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a most prosperous New Year to each and every one of you. We had an opportunity to meet quite a few of you this year, and it was incredible. We hope that you enjoy your Christmas holiday, that you're able to enjoy it with family and loved ones, to enjoy some good food and some great fellowship. I'm looking forward to a great 2019. I'm looking forward to seeing your videos in 2019. And I thank you, each and every one of you, for what you do and how you continue to make this drone community the best on YouTube. Thank you all so much. And remember, it's not only a great day to fly, it's a great day to pay it forward. Take care, guys.